Hey guys, welcome to my Squiggly-tube, a series designed to make you a whole lot more productive and hopefully also more awesome. So today we're going to talk about Steven Covey's Big Rock Theorem, and essentially it's this, that in your day you've got a series of things from really important stuff, that's your big rocks, to not so important stuff, like if it didn't get done that day, it's not going to be the end of the world, to a whole lot of superfluous little things that, if you don't watch out, are going to fill your day. And the way he demonstrated this was through rocks, pebbles, and sand. So effectively, if you take an empty jar, this is your day. This is the amount of time that you have. If you put in those silly little superfluous things first, and the part of the superfluous things today will be played by nerds. And then you do the not so important, doesn't matter if you don't get it done today stuff. And then you try and put into your day your big rocks, your really important things. You're gonna find, oh no, your day is overflowing. So when this is happening, this means that you're working past 10 o'clock and no one wants to work past 10 o'clock. So instead, what Steven Covey says is, and we're just going to have to do a little rearranging here so I can show you the right way to do it. So if we try this again, but using the Big Rock Theory correctly, here's our day. The first thing we want to do are our big rocks. So this is like that report that's due, or maybe it's your monthly budget, or maybe it's the writing that you need to do because you're working on a book. Whatever the most important things are for your day, you want to do them first. You need to prioritize them. The next thing you do are the littler things, the things that aren't so critical, that if they didn't happen that day, it's not the end of the world. So this might be checking your email, it might be like catching up with somebody that you need to talk to, but it doesn't have to happen today. It can be any one of those things that, as I said, they're not an urgent priority, unlike your big rocks. You need to shake your day a little bit, but you still see we've got lots of room in our day. And then the final thing you want to do is put the little sand in last. And this is the stuff like Facebook or socializing or maybe running that errand that you really don't need to run. This is the little stuff that will consume your day if you're not careful and you don't treat it the right way, putting it last into your day. This way, we're working to a normal hour in the evening, and hopefully you get to choose at the end of the day what you'll do with the little spare time that you have left. So that's Steven Covey's Big Rock Theorem. I hope it helps you. I'm going to show you how to do this Easter style. So we're going to stick our big rocks in, which are our Cadbury Creme Egg. And then the second thing we're going to do is put our pebbles in. And then the final thing you want to do in your day, like Facebook or a little online shopping. These also make really cool gifts. So not only have I just taught you how to make yourself more productive, but put a ribbon around these guys and you're gonna make someone's day. What did you do today, honey? I just separated candy all day. And try not to spill them on the floor. You know, there's no use crying over spilt nerds. They won't fit.
Maybe we had too many pebbles.
Yeah.
Your day is overflowing with
Days
pebbles now.
overflowing with pebbles. Esme, why did you let her have candy? Okay, I'm gonna like